here we are. This is the biggest shopping mall in the whole city.
Wow! Look how tall it is, teacher. I can see 5 floors from here. There are so many lights and colors. I really love it already.
I will go and buy our cinema tickets now. Wait here together, okay? Look at the escalators, Maya. They go all the way to the top.
And those big screens are flashing up there. What do they show?
This is the main hall. The ticket counter is just over there on the left.
Can we look at all the different floors after the cinema, teacher?
Wait here by this window. I can see the ticket counter from here.
Okay, teacher. Can we look at the toys in the window while we wait?
Look at that one, Leo. It is the little robot in the corner there.
I will be back in 10 minutes. Stay here and stay together. Okay?
Look up there, Maya. There is a really big game on the floor above.
I can see it from here. Let's go up for just one quick look.
Yes, it is just one floor up. We will come back down very quickly.
I can see the colors from here already. It looks so much fun. Leo, where are we? I have lost sight of the toy shop completely.
I think we came from the left. Or maybe it was from the right.
I turned back to look, but the escalator is behind us somewhere now.
This is a different corridor. All of these shops are new to me. I think it's this way. Come on, I'm sure about this direction.
But we already went that way, Leo. I remember passing that fountain before.
This time it will work. Look, I can see another corridor just ahead.
Leo, we have walked in a circle. We are back at the same fountain.
Look, Maya. There is a map on the wall here. I can read it.
Can you find the main exit on the map? Where does it show?
I think it is here on the map. Yes, the exit is on the ground floor.
But which way do we go? This map is too small to read properly.
Wait, I will call teacher on my phone. He will come and find us.
Leo, is your phone working? The screen looks completely dark to me.
The battery is dead. My phone is completely flat. We must find another way.
What do we do? We are completely lost and the phone is out of power.
Oh!
Excuse me? Could you help us, please? We are lost in this mall.
She kept on walking. She was in a big hurry, I think.
We need to find someone to help us. There must be a shop worker nearby.
Yes, a shop worker. They will know exactly where the exit is. I can hear the food court from here. The main exit must be near it.
Yes, I can hear it too. Let's look for an information desk over there.
Wait, look at that door. The sign says it is an emergency exit only.
That door is for emergencies only. We need to find a different way out.
Attention all shoppers. The mall will close in 15 minutes. Please make your way to the main exit now.
Maya, stop and listen. There is an important announcement right now.
The shutters are closing in 15 minutes. Leo, did you hear that?
We have 15 minutes to find the main exit. We need to move right now.
The shutters are closing, Leo. We need to find our way out right now.
I know. If we find a shop worker, they can tell us which way to go.
But we need to move quickly. 15 minutes will pass so fast.
Okay. I will find someone to help us. Come on, let's keep moving forward.
Maya, look. There is a lady standing outside that clothing shop over there.
Yes, I can see her. She works there. She will help us for sure.
Come on, let's go. I will ask her for help right now. This is our chance.
Yes, Leo. Let's go quickly. We have only 15 minutes before the shutters close.
Excuse me. Could you help us, please? We are lost in this mall.
Of course I can help. Tell me, where do you need to go?
We are lost. Our teacher is waiting at the main exit somewhere, please.
Where is the main exit, please? We really need to find our teacher.
Okay, listen carefully. Go past the escalator, then turn left.
Go past the escalator, then turn left. Okay, I think I understand.
That is right. Then follow the green exit signs all the way down to the ground floor.
Follow the green exit signs. I can do that. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much for your help. We know the way now. Goodbye.
Come on, Leo. Past the escalator, then turn left. I remember it now.
That's right. Pass the escalator, then turn left, then follow the signs to the main exit. Good luck! I hope you find your teacher very soon. Be careful now.
We went past the escalator and we turned left. It is working. Leo, I can see a green sign somewhere above. We are going the right way. You see that exit sign above? Tell Maya what we need to do now. That is right. Say it with us. Follow the... What do you say next?
Leo, look! I can see a green exit sign on the wall just up ahead.
Where? I can see it too! A green arrow! We are going the right way!
Follow the green exit signs. Zoe was right. They are showing us the way.
We went past the escalator and we turned left. Everything is working perfectly.
Now it is your turn. Imagine you are me and you need help. You walk up to the shop lady. What do you say to her first? Start with this. Excuse me, could you? Now you finish the sentence. That is right. Say the whole thing out loud. You can do it. Now here is a question for you. Think about this very carefully, please. Listen to Leo's question. Do you know the answer? I will think hard too. Here is the question. What stopped Leo calling teacher on his phone? Think hard about what happened with the phone. Choose the best answer now. Here is another question. What did Zoe tell me to do first? Think about the direction she gave us. Which step came first? Now you say it. What did Zoe say to do? Tell us the first direction. Say it out loud. Go past the... what comes next? You know this one. Teacher! We are here! We found the exit and the way out! Teacher! We were so lost, but we found our way back to you!
There you are. I was so worried. Come here, both of you now.
We are fine, teacher. We used our English and someone helped us. Teacher, I spoke to a shop lady. I said, excuse me, could you help us?
You asked for help in English. That is exactly what you should do.
Then I asked, where is the main exit? And she told us the directions.
You both used your English perfectly today. I am very proud of you. You were very brave today. And you used your English when you needed it.
I will remember those words forever.
Excuse me, could you help us, please?
Me too. And follow the green exit signs. That is the most useful phrase.
Now you say it with us. When you need help, what do you say?
Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you learned something new.
I learned a lot too.
If you like this video, please give it a like.
And subscribe so you never miss a new story.
Watch more videos right over there. See you in the next one. Goodbye.
Bye. See you soon.